Hello everyone, welcome back to ReehatKitchen. Hope you all are doing good. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest update on my videos. Today's recipe is Russian cutlet. It is very easy to make and delicious in taste. It is also most famous snacks during Ramadan. Let's cook. We need 250 grams of boneless chicken. Put the chicken in a vessel and add 1 cup of water, salt as required, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Give a mix and leave it to boil till the chicken gets tender. Meanwhile, we cut some vegetables. Here I am using 1 carrot, handful of beans finely chopped, half capsicum. If you had small capsicum, you can use 1 whole capsicum also, finely chopped. Half a cup of green peas. As you seen in the video, chicken get completely cooked. Take out the chicken and now add the vegetables in the same stock. And boil it for 5 to 10 minutes. Now stir the chicken and keep aside. Vegetables are cooked, strain it and keep it aside. Take a vessel, add 2 tablespoons of butter, once the butter gets melted, add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and roast it. Roast it for a minute in a low flame and now add half a cup of milk. Mix it continuously. And add 1 cup of chicken stock that we kept aside. Keep mixing it. Make sure it doesn't get any lumps in it. Now add some green onions chopped, some chopped coriander leaves, 3 to 4 green chilies. Mix it. Add boiled vegetables. And also chicken. Mix it very well. At this time, if you need it, you can add some salt. Mix it continuously till the mixture gets thicker. Make sure it doesn't get burned. Now the mixture gets thick. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. Now we start making cutlets. For this we need chicken mixture, 1 egg, breadcrumb and vermicelli. Grease your hands with oil and take the chicken mixture and give a shape of your choice. Now dust it in a breadcrumb, dip it in an egg and cover it with the vermicelli. Take light brown vermicelli, it gives nice golden in color when it gets fried. Add prepare all the cutlets. At this stage you can freeze it and keep it in a refrigerator for 1 month. Now time to fry. Heat the oil. Once the oil gets hot, turn off the flame to medium. Fry the cutlets. Make sure it doesn't get burned. Fry it till it gets golden in color. Take it out and serve hot. Hope you like this video. Do try this recipe at home and leave your feedbacks in the comment below. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.